Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, say life come in like one race, right? So tell me something. You run like you well want to reach the finish line, or sometimes you just stop run or start wander off of the track to the left or to the right. Eh? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language. Click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what are going right so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today we're going to read from Paul's first letter to the Corinthian them, chapter 9, from verse 24 to verse 27. Uno no know say all the runner them we go a stadium run against them one another, but only one of them can win. So uno must run like say uno want to win. Anybody where run or who play any kind of sport have to exercise and work hard every day. Them have to know how to control themselves in everything where them do. Them do that so that they can win one medal. The medal where they win can mash up. But you see where we are going to get, that can't mash up. It are going to last forever and ever. So, me now run like one man. We now know where I run go. Me run straight to the finish line. Me now fight like say me a box breeze. No, me no make my body control me. Me control my body and make it do what me want it to do. That way there, after me done preach the good news, God can't say me no deserve for me prize. I God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.